Okay, so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm full of energy today. I have a lot of energy. I'm really excited. It's New Year's Eve, and so I'm about to take y'all on my little journey to get cute for New Year's Eve. I'm about to go get my hair done. I'm going to get a unit installed today. I'm gonna go get my nails done. That's where I'm on the way to now. But the first transformation video I did was really fun. I actually enjoyed like watching me go from completely bare and completely plain to looking cute. So that's what we're about to do today. 12 o'clock. How am I late? I'm done. I'm done getting my nails and my toes done. My appointment is for 12. I'm already out. My appointment is right down the street. It's for 12 o'clock. I have a whole hour. I need some lotion on my feet. Hold on. Got them short this time. I had to get those long nails a break. Yeah, but I got a little bit of time before my appointment. I hope I do. I hope I got a little bit of time before my appointment, because look what I got, y'all. I got a stand for my car. Like, I got a stand for to set my camera on in my car so I can vlog while I'm driving. So yeah, I'm about to try to put this up right now. Just be my baby, then you bounce. How you going? You can do it on your windshield. Oh, it's one for the windshield. So, oh, that's Chinese or some type of Asian language. Bitch. Okay, I got it the wrong way. Oh, wait, this ain't working. It's like so close to my face. It's like the only thing that's bothering me. Like, it's sitting up like really high, and it's like right here in my face. Y'all, people staring at me. This is so weird. I'm still not used to people looking at me while I'm trying to film.
Just for you. And I know you and me.
Got the hair done. We just got the inches slayed, bone straight for the new year. We bringing the new year in bone straight. Oh, son, Jesus. We going into the new year with straight hair, because that's how we coming next year. Straight, no chasing. Just give it to me straight. All 2020. Just give it to me straight. Let me know. Give it to me straight. Let me stop, y'all. That's what I do, is be talking about us now. Like, we don't know how to act when we get our hair done. Nope. I bought this outfit that was really, really cute, but it's too much, you know, to be at the house. Like, I just feel like I'm gonna be at the house with my family, and then I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's. I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's. 12. I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's house with his family and friends, and I just feel like the outfit I bought is too much. I'm just about to go to the store to see if I can find me a little cute little top, you know, to throw on just with some jeans, and maybe wear like my UGG flip-flops, because I just got my toes done. So, you know, I think it'll be cute. Have my little toes out tonight. It might be a little cold, I don't know. You never know with Louisiana weather. You never know if it's gonna be hot or cold or rainy or humid or nothing. So we just gonna pray it's not super cold tonight. I'm gonna play my favorite album while we ride. Let me show y'all what is this. And honestly, I don't even like this artist like that. Like I never really listened to this artist's album, or like I listen to his hits, you know, like stuff that'll come on the radio or just like his hits or something like that, but I've never really listened to his music like that. When I heard this song, I was like, oh, let me go see what this album about. I don't like no long nails on my lady. Easy to they can't prevail, that I'm shady. White toes in her heels, she the latest.
Incoming call from Zadie and my whole voice. Home, press U connect phone button to answer.
I think you got it stuck to the thing, huh?
Yeah, but I think I need to push it back some more.
Well, they ain't the right angle for you.
No.
Go see on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Half a million, I just did a warm up for half a million. I can buy the building, surf, 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 surf. And this is, yeah, I tripled the dash, I had the 10 of J. She say, meet me at the London.
Okay, guys, let's go shopping. I just got back from the mall. Didn't vlog again. I didn't have enough time. I was trying to get in and get out, and I didn't really find anything major. Like I said, I just wanted to be cute for New Year, since, you know, I'm gonna be at home with family. And literally found like this black top. Yeah, it's just a regular plain black top. It has like the puffy sleeves, and I'm gonna put on some drip with it. Makeup is actually, I don't know what I'm doing with my makeup, y'all. I'm just bad with time. 2020 is gonna be a better year for time. I'm gonna be so much better with my time in 2020. Like, time management is at the top of my list. But yeah, so makeup finna just be real glowy, I guess. We finna do real glow to match the drip, the glow from the drip. Yeah, but y'all, let's get ready to go. Just me and you. That's why I hate using that light. And I just put on some drip, you know, a little drip. My drip makes a sale, baby. But I'm gonna talk to y'all in the car. See y'all in a little bit. So I'm hated. I'm finally dressed, y'all. Guess what time it is? It's 9:50, and I'm just now leaving. So I'm so mad at myself for this. Like, I'm literally gonna have like an hour before it's time for me to get. But as soon as I get some gas, we can turn up a little bit, you know, just me and you, me and my viewer can turn up just a little bit, you know, in the car, until we get there. I don't know about y'all, but like the turn up in the car kind of sets the mood for the night. Like, you know, when you're getting ready to go out, the music you play in the car, like the pregame, like that sets the tone for the night. I was looking at my demographics, and I have people from different, you know, different states that have tuned into my channel. Hey y'all, hope y'all subscribed. Even overseas like the UK, I was like, what? Okay, me. Even if it's only one person, I'm just like, okay, me. Let me just play y'all some music. But I wanted to warn y'all, just in case y'all hear some, you know, some jiggy music and you don't know what that is. That's that Baton Rouge. It's that Baton Rouge music. Not Baton Rouge, Baton Rouge music. Okay, now this is a little New Orleans right here. And y'all, oh my God. Love of my life, my soulmate. Come on, what? You're my best friend. Part of me.
On my stage. Why you pulling on my pants? In the middle of the floor, you know I like to do my dance. Right?
Oh, I thought that was the police. I thought the police was behind me. Y'all better not. 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 Y'all better not.
Look, you know I walk in, working my shoulders. Look,
You know I walk in, working my shoulders.
you the mama team, bouncing, she bopping, she twerking, going this way, she going that way. Everything play like shit, let my track play. But not no more. He thought she would do bad without it, but I don't know. Cause now she got her money right, and he broke.
My soul.
I ain't doing all the jocking, you can go.
Hey y'all, good morning. Happy New Year. I got a frog in my throat, y'all. I slept in my makeup last night, so my skin is probably under attack right now. Oh my God, I sound like a man. Ugh. We gotta fix that. I just woke up. I just went in the kitchen and these were sitting on the kitchen counter. Y'all, I love flowers. I love fresh flowers. Like, I love fresh flowers. I always said I wanted a garden so I could have fresh flowers in my house every day, pick from my garden. But he left me this card and it say, first card of the new year. So many to go.
It's Kimberly.